Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge your air conditioning system in your vehicle. I've got my 2013 Honda Odyssey. It's been blowing some warm air, so I want to make sure that my air conditioning system is prepped and ready for the spring when it's pretty warm here in Texas. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some 134A refrigerant. You'll need some form of apparatus that has a dial here that you're able to see what the pressure is in your system. You'll need gloves, you'll need some goggles. You'll notice here on the dial at the very bottom there are different temperature indicators. You want to line that up with what temperature it is outside. Right now it's about 70 degrees. So you'll notice that there's red lines here. We want to make sure whenever we hook it up into the system that the dial here is actually inside the two red markers right there. What you want to do before you hook up the hose and your can of refrigerant, you want to turn on the air conditioner. You want to turn it all the way low and you want to crank it up as high as it'll go. Once you've got the air conditioning turned on full blast within your vehicle, you're going to hook up this hose to the low pressure line. So the low is indicated in the Honda with an L, and the high pressure line is right next to it. But if you can't determine which is which, the high pressure line is always thinner than the low pressure line. So we'll go ahead and unscrew the cap right here. Be careful not to drop it right here. And we're gonna hook up this portion of the hose. You push to engage. And I've been pulling it off. It's definitely engaged, it's not coming off. And you want to check and see. So see, I'm actually at the lowest portion of the dial, and I want to add a little bit more. So you want to shake it up. You want to make sure that all the refrigerant is mixed up within there, and then as you're filling it and you press the trigger, you want to put it upside down. You want to check it every few seconds. Wiggle it around a little bit. So we're getting really close there, right about 30. There's 35. And there's 40. So there's a little bit of refrigerant left in this can. We'll be able to save that for future use, but all we've got to do here is press to release, and then we want to cap it. You should notice a considerable decrease in the temperature of your air conditioning as you're doing this, and if not, then that means it's something other than your refrigerant. Alright, so we're inside the cab and it is definitely putting out a lot of cold air. We're measuring somewhere between 55 and 56. It's only getting colder in here, so that's fantastic. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. But make sure you subscribe for future content. Thanks, guys.